Hi everyone, welcome back to Bushy Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today I have a box opening of a baby doll that I got for Christmas. I got one for me and I got one for someone special in my life that they're gonna get it later, so I don't want to say their name, but yeah, so I got a new baby doll. So if you guys don't know, I collect all types of dolls, Barbies. I have Reborn dolls, Reborn like baby dolls, and yeah, so I got a baby from Amazon, and I thought she was so cute. At first, I was gonna get this one baby from Temu, but she was sold out. I'll put a picture of what she looked like in the corner of the screen, but then she sold out, so I started looking more, and I found this baby right here, and I think she's so cute. So let's go ahead and get a closer look and see what she looks like in person. So I have the box right here and I'm opening it up. So she comes in a bag. So she comes in this bag and the bag says Doll Reborn on it when you look at it down for like this. So you just open it up. These bags right here, the cloth bags, are good for reuse, so I do reuse these bags. And it comes double bagged with a plastic bag. Make sure that if you're getting this for little children, that you guys get rid of this bag because it can cause suffocation, as it shows right here on the bag. Just so you know, just in case, you never know. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull her out. She's heavier than Lyric. Lyric is my biggest baby doll, and I'll put a picture of what Lyric looks like in the corner screen. She's so cute. I love Lyric. Like, I love Lyric. When I see her every day, she makes me smile, and I love her. And yeah, so I decided to get her a sister, or them a sister, because I do have other dolls. I have Nene, and then I have my other doll that I got from probably the same company as her, because he came in the same packaging as her. So yeah, so I think it's MPK, the brand, because they usually have really good baby dolls. So yeah, I got Jalen, and then I do have Caleb, which I painted him myself. So he's like he's a Reborn from Bountiful Baby, and I painted him. And then I have little Mia, which she was the first one that started me collecting baby dolls as an adult. And yeah, so now this will be my 5th one. So let's get a closer look. So we're gonna open the bag, and she is pretty heavy. I'm shocked because when I got Lyric from AliExpress, she was really light, and I meant to put weight in her, but she's so cute. I kind of don't want to cut her, like zip ties and change her, but yeah. So let's go ahead and pull her out. So when you first see her shoes, and she has the same shoes as Jalen came with that says baby. I keep pointing over here because they're sitting on my bed right now, and I'm filming in front of my dollhouse. But yeah, so her shoes say baby, and she has these pants. Let's go ahead and pull those out. So she comes with a little package. So in the package, it should be under birth certificate, your child, or you. Like, I name my dolls, so when I get these, I put their names on it. Even though it's a baby doll, I want to put the name on it, you know. So it comes with a diaper right here that is super cute. I do like it. It has little bunnies on it, and it looks like a little bear in the corner right there, and balloons. Super cute. I like this diaper. It comes with one of these toy bottles. I don't really care for these. I usually end up putting these in a Goodwill pile, so I don't keep these as an adult collector. So yeah, and then she also has a kitty pacifier. So this is her little pacifier right here. It is magnetic, so you guys would know. So that means she does have a magnet in her head, because I know some people, they're sensitive to magnets. So just so you know, she has a magnet in her head. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just pour straight out the bag. Okay, so she has these pants that are super cute. These flower pants. You guys probably seen her on Amazon if you guys remember her outfit, because they do come in the outfits that they're pictured in. Super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish pulling her out. Just pull her out here. Oh, she's cute. Oh, she's precious, Ma. Oh my God. She's so cute. Oh, she's a cutie pie. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. She's a cutie pie. All right, so I'm going to take her things out so you guys can see her hands. She's a cutie pie. I love her. Oh my goodness. So I got her from Amazon, as you guys know. So, you know, Amazon, they do have some pretty cute baby dolls on there. And I am really surprised because Jalen, he's really cute, but she's just, wait till you guys see her face. Let me finish taking off these plastics on her and we'll go ahead and get into her details. Plastic off her hands. So this is one of her hands right here. See the tipping? So cute. And then this is her other hand right here, very nicely manicured and cute, the blushing. So I'll show you guys her face. So this is her. She's so cute. She's a cutie pie. Look at her. She's so cute. So she is a replica of the Susu kit by Natalie Blick. And she's so cute. And it's African American version. Look at her eyes. She has blue eyes. They have different hair and different skin tones of the same doll on Amazon. And she's so cute. So she's a replica doll, okay? She's not an authentic doll, just so you guys know. So yeah, she's so cute. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at her hair. I really love her face. In person, she looks so pretty. I really love how she looks. So we're gonna take her down. And when you open her up, she has little tiny bangs like this that go in front of her face like that. And I'm definitely gonna keep that because I like that about her, that she has these little hairs cut in the front. I don't want to cut one of my other dolls' hair in the front like Lyric. I don't want to cut her hair in the front, but it's nice that this one, she's different from Lyric. She's a little bit bigger than Lyric, just slightly bigger. And then she has two ponytails. Her hair's super soft. And she's wearing two scrunchies like this. And then she's wearing another scrunchie right here. And yeah, of course her hair's gonna need some TLC outside of the box. But yeah, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I fix my babies up and their hair be styling, okay? Anyone that follows me on Instagram, they know that when I style my babies or my Barbie dolls, they look good. So I am so happy to have her. Let's open up and see what's going on in her jacket. She has this jacket that has 3 flowers on the front and it zips down the middle right here. And she has a shirt that has an owl on it. It's a onesie. So these, and the owl says right here, it says, oh, it says I'll love you forever. How cute. So I think this would be really cute for a little girl. And then she has a little bit mouth opening right there. That's really cute. Let's try the pacifier on her. This is how she looks with the pacifier. She's so adorable. I really love how she looks. She's so sweet. And I love these shoes because I'm glad to have another pair of these shoes because I like to put them on all the babies, so all of them share these shoes. So I'm glad to have more than one pair. And I have some shoes that my friend gave me from her daughter when she was little, so I use that on the girls as well. So yeah, and then let's look at her feet. So I didn't take the let me take the wrapping off her legs. Let's have a look at her feet. I took the paper off. So these are her toes. She has a toe spread apart. So cute. Look at that. That's cute. And then you see her leg. So she has 3/4 legs. And then for her arms, she has full limbs of the arms. So let's take her jacket off so we can see that. This is her other foot. Super cute. And it does the same thing. Has the same toes. And this is her arms. She has full limbs of the arms. Super cute. Her elbows. She does have some stuffing in her. You can't feel the stuffing. But she has no glass beads. One of her arms has less stuffing than the other. And she feels good. She feels really good. I do one day have to do a little bit of like weighting on the babies. But her, I don't think I would add too much weight to her because she feels good to me. And I like her. And I like to have them watch movies with me. We were watching The Grinch Stole Christmas earlier today. So I really do love my baby dolls, you know. So she's really cute. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have this doll or any version of this doll. And let me show you guys the cloth body. So this is how her cloth body looks when you take her clothes off. So you see she has full limbs in the arms and then 3/4 limbs in the legs. Okay, so she's so cute. Let me put her clothes back on. And oh, I want to show you some hoodies that I found for the babies. They're so cute. So I definitely gonna put one on her because I thought of her in mind when I bought this at the same time that I got her. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this up. This was a Christmas gift for me, this doll, and I got it for someone else that's in my family. I can't wait to see her face when she gets it, and I'm super excited for her to get it. But let me go ahead and open up the baby clothes that I got so I can show you guys. When I got these onesies, because we've been having some cold days in Miami, so when I bought her and I ordered her, I saw these onesies, and I was looking up onesies, because I try to find affordable stuff for them, like around $10, $15. So I found this onesie that is super cute. Look at this, so cute, and it has like a tie-dye type of look to it. It snaps all the way up, so it snaps all the way up, and it has a hoodie, and the hoodie has little ears on it. So I got one in this tie-dye color. This one is a 3 to 6 months, and then I got another one here that looks so cute. So this is the flower print, and they're only $10. They're $9.99. I'm gonna link all this in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. And these are the little ears, super cute, and the hood, and it snaps in the front. And I love this, and for $10, and it's nice and fleeced. It feels so soft. Like you guys can see it's a fleece type of material. Then it has like a thermal in between, even though the dolls don't get cold. You know, I like to have them in like snuggy stuff because I like to be snuggled up watching movies with them. And you just watch movies and hang out with them. So it's really fun, and I really enjoy my dolls. All right, everyone. So that is it for my box opening of my new baby girl. Oh, let me tell you guys her name, so you guys will know her name. So I usually come up with the names when they're on the way, because I look at their pictures until they get here. So I already get a name like right off the bat. Like, I think I'm just good at naming my babies, because like, I don't know, I can look at people or their name looks like that. So that's probably why I come up with the name so quick. But her, I want to name her Shanice, and I want to call her Niecy. So meet Shanice, and we're gonna call her Niecy, and she's super cute. All right, so you guys don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you don't already do at Bougie Doll Life, and you'll see pictures of my babies. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye. Bye. Bye, guys.